Hello, guys, and ho, ho, ho. It is Christmas Eve, and I'm so excited to at least share a little bit of fun and laughter with all of you. It's Christmas Eve indeed. And in typical fashion of MoloMolo, I've been working the last couple of days on a game made out of Matlab. I've called it the Gift Grabber. This is going to be a simple demonstration that is available for everyone to download. There will be a link to the file in the description below where you're able to essentially show to your friends and family. If you're not sure how to get access to MATLAB Online, there will be a link directly above to show you how to access MATLAB Online. But this is all without downloading software. It's all on your web browser, whether Google Chrome or others, Internet Explorer. And this is an exciting game just for seeing the power of MATLAB, and which we'll go into the more details, in the new year on how I got this game working. But this is, I thought, would be a fun and an engaging way of sharing MATLAB skills and growing your MATLAB skills really on Christmas Day. And, over the next few weeks where you'll be on holiday, fire up MATLAB on your laptop, and instead of coding and cracking your brain, you're able to show family and friends, the power of MATLAB and have a simple game. So let me go directly into it. So it's called Gift Grabber. Essentially, the name explains itself. You essentially, it's a game like Tetris where you try to essentially, get as many gifts as possible inside the basket, and you get points in the end. So let me show you how it works. So you press start, and then it works with your keyboard left and right arrows. So you press into the screen and you start, and essentially what happens is you're able to move the basket left and right as the gift goes down. Of course, clearly I'm not very good. Let me start again. But it's very intuitive in how it works, which is pretty cool. So it is something that I thought I should share with everybody. If you're definitely interested in seeing how it works, like I said, there will be a link in the description below. And yeah, and have fun with your family and MATLAB. Yeah, see you around.